I'm at the Kuala Lumpur International Airport. This is AirAsia landing. AirAsia is landing. Yes. Kuala Lumpur International Airport, KLIA, AirAsia. Thank you. I'm at the KLIA, Kuala Lumpur International Airport. This is AirAsia landing in Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Landing at the KLIA. I'm at the Kuala Lumpur International Airport, KLIA. This is Malaysia Airlines. Malaysia Airlines landing at Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Malaysia Airlines. Thank you for watching. Kuala Lumpur International Airport. This is Malaysia Airlines landing. Malaysia Airlines landing. Kuala Lumpur International Airport. That's Malaysia Airlines. Thank you for watching. I'm in KLIA, Kuala Lumpur International Airport. This is AirAsia landing. AirAsia has just landed at Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Thank you for watching. KLIA, Kuala Lumpur International Airport. This is AirAsia is landing right now. AirAsia landing at Kuala Lumpur International Airport. The flying in and out, not yet, but domestically yes. Another one is coming up. Another one is coming up. Kuala Lumpur International Airport. This is AirAsia is landing at KLIA, Kuala Lumpur International Airport, AirAsia. This is KLIA, Kuala Lumpur International Airport. AirAsia is landing at KLIA, Kuala Lumpur International Airport. It's Saturday today. Kuala Lumpur International Airport. This is my jet. Just landed at Kuala Lumpur International Airport. My jet. The KLIA, Kuala Lumpur International Airport, and landing. Etihad. Kuala Lumpur International Airport. This is Malaysia Airlines at the Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Just landed here. Malaysia Airlines. Malaysia Airlines. Kuala Lumpur International Airport. This is a Malindo, another Malaysian aircraft landed at the Kuala Lumpur International Airport, KLIA. Thank you for watching. China.